Nonetheless, we still keep on the story about President Barack Obama. That is the former U.S. president who is currently in Nairobi, where he's spending the night before he crosses over to the Nyanza region tomorrow. And former U.S. President Barack Obama is spending the night right here, like I said, in the capital before departing to his ancestral home in Kogelo, Siaya County. That's Monday morning. The former head of state was earlier on welcomed to the country by President Uhuru Kenyatta alongside Deputy President William Ruto at State House, Nairobi, moments after he arrived at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Now, NTV Seth Olale covered his arrival and filed this report.
1:15 p.m. local time, Obama's unexpected low-key entourage passing along Mombasa Road. Shortly after the immediate former U.S. president arrived at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. This is in contrast to 2015 when there was a complete air and land shutdown as the then porters made his way to the capital. From JKIA, where there was no state ceremonies, Obama's convoy quickly moving to State House, where President Uhuru Kenyatta was in hand to receive the U.S. delegation. Even there was no state address from the former Illinois senator, with the two gentlemen rather holding private talks. According to the President's Strategic Communications Unit, President Kenyatta thanked Obama for keeping his promise to return to the country after leaving office and for establishing the Obama Foundation, which seeks to empower the youth. Obama later held separate talks with ODM leader Raila Odinga privately. According to the ODM leader's Twitter handle, President Obama threw his support behind the Building Bridges initiative and pledged support for the ongoing fight against corruption. They also spoke about ending the stalemate in South Sudan and finding peace for Kenya's neighbors. This as well as youth empowerment. His only address will be during Monday's launch of a sports and recreation facility named Sautiku Vocational Training Center at his ancestral home in Kogelo, Siaya County. Former U.S. President Barack Obama's brief stay in Kenya concludes at his ancestral home in Kogelo in Siaya County, where he will then head to South Africa for the annual Nelson Mandela Lecture. Seth Olale, NTV, Nairobi.